Is turning on your vacuum starting to feel less like cleaning and more like an intense thumb wrestling match? You squeeze the handle, you pray to the cleaning gods, and silence. Or maybe it whirs for a second and cuts out the moment you relax your death grip. So, what's actually happening? The external red button you press pushes a thin, internal plastic arm to hit the actual electronic power switch. Over time, that delicate internal plastic creates a stress point and simply snaps. It's a tiny component failure that renders the whole machine useless. Unfortunately, there is no wait and see with this one. Once that trigger snaps, your premium vacuum is essentially an expensive paperweight. Trying to jam the button or tape it down won't work and could actually damage the internal housing permanently. But don't panic, send it to Robocare. At Robocare, we aren't just general handymen. We are a specialized Dyson repair service. Our technicians have dissected hundreds of V10 units and know this model inside and out. We understand that the V10 is a complex piece of engineering, and forcing it is never the answer. Our solution is permanent. We perform a complete teardown to access the buried switch mechanism. We don't just replace the broken part with the same flimsy plastic. We upgrade it. We replace the fractured factory component with a genuine component. This ensures your vacuum isn't just fixed. It's actually stronger than when it left the factory. But seeing is believing, right? Let's get to the results and just look at the difference. With a Robocare fix, this Dyson V10 isn't just repaired, it's upgraded. Instant response, full suction, and a trigger that feels solid and reliable again. Don't let a broken piece of plastic ruin your home. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.